Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Kitchen. So this weekend we're going to go to the 60s and 70s and make a pineapple upside down cake. But first, a cup of tea. Let's begin. For this, you'd try and have a rounded bowl. So essentially, what you're going to do is put pineapple and some ingredients on the bottom to form the top. And you don't have to use a glass bowl, but that's what I've got. Right, for the ingredients. For the topping, you'll need 50 grams of butter and 50 grams of light brown sugar. You'll need pineapple rings in syrup, and I have that one. Apparently no added sugar or something, and some Glace cherries. I'm going to use whole ones. You can get halves, but I think really to get the proper effect, you want them whole. For the cake itself, you want 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of self-raising flour. Because I have plain flour, I will be adding some baking powder. You're then going to want to add some extra baking powder. You then want some vanilla extract, which is about one teaspoon, and 2 eggs. Right, I'm going to butter my dish, and after this, I'm going to recommend that you put your oven onto gas mark 4, which is 180 Celsius or 160 Celsius if you have a fan oven. Right, next in a bowl we want to melt the butter and then add the sugar. So this is 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of sugar. We're going to want to beat these together until they are lovely and soft. Right, in our bowl we are going to want to spread this across the bottom of the bowl. Okay, with our tin of pineapples, we are going to want to grab the slices, not pour the juice in the bottom like I've just done. And we're going to try and lay it so we have as many of these as possible. So I would like to have one in the middle. So I think I'm going to have to try and get these up on the edges. Really, I'm just going to try and lightly put these out where they need to go. So I've managed to get 7 in here. So let's try and squish these in. Okay, and I have a single slice left. Right, now with your glacé cherries, simply put them in the hole. And can we squeeze some more in there? You know what? This is not the traditional way to do it, but I'm gonna be cheeky. I'm gonna add some more, just because I like glacé cherries anyway. Now we're going to mix the rest of the ingredients. So 100 grams of butter, and I will note I've accidentally purchased salted butter, so I didn't particularly want salted butter for this, but yeah, it's now what I've got, so I'm hopefully it's not going to ruin the filling too much. So now I'm going to add 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of flour, teaspoon baking powder. Because I have used plain flour, I'm going to put in a bit more, so another teaspoon. I'm just a bit low on there, so it's hard to get the full teaspoon. Teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, ooh, it's fluffy. Well, this has gone well. and I've not captured it on camera. Okay, so I've got to make sure the eggshell doesn't go in and the fluff doesn't go in, which I have failed at. Okay, I've got the eggshell out. I think I've just put some. Have I just put some fluff in there? Right. One thing I forgot to mention is 2 tablespoons from here. I suppose if this isn't soft enough, we could just add some more of this in. Right. So with all the ingredients in, we just need to mix it, and then put in with the rest of the cake. Right, so with this lovely and smooth, all we need to do now is plonk this over the top and smooth it out. Right, so as you might have seen, I didn't realise I had some pineapple pieces a bit higher, so all I've done is I have pushed the batter so it's over the top. So we're now going to bake this on gas mark 4 for 40 minutes. And we'll come back and turn it out, and it should hopefully look lovely. Right, so we'll need to leave that to cool down for 5 minutes. I did just almost drop this on the floor, and you will see that is bubbling. Right, so we'll leave this for 5 minutes and then we'll turn out onto a plate. Oh no, oh no, oh no, this is going badly, this is going badly. Oh, come back here. What the hell? I might have had... I wonder if this is from where I didn't... Will you shut up, washing machine? Okay, we'll let this cool. I didn't put it in the centre, did I? You're too soft to push into the centre. Okay, let's. Okay, so. Yeah, this is definitely from the pineapple juice. So I should have drained the. I think I should have drained these rather than take them straight from the tin. I don't know, where is that? I don't know where that centre one's gone. Oh well. It's a pretty moist cake. I'll let that cool down and see if that solidifies. Well, it's been about an hour and a half. The centre is still a bit liquidy, so yeah, I don't think that's going to improve. So let's slice it up. Right, so as you can see, the middle was basically not there. So I'm assuming the pineapple juice has just boiled it and kept the cake away to the other bit. But from licking my lips, this does taste quite good. So let's give it a go. And let's do that bit there. I seem to have got loads of cherries, which are not a bad thing. Yeah, that's delicious. That will go really well with some ice cream. Yes. So drain the pineapple rings and it should come out okay. Let me know how you get on, and enjoy!